Hi, it's Tony with the Tony Z team. I'm here with my dog Biscuit. We're at 20155 50th Avenue here in Langley City. This complex is called Cedarbrook Village. It is an amazing townhouse complex, very private setting. The unit itself is unit number 13. It's a 2-story with a full underground basement, features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, parking for 2 cars. Let's go take a look.